Hi everyone, are you looking to start your own website or your own online business like Vakilsearch, Indiafilling, ClearText and much more, where people can come and start their online business, file for their income tax returns, get their GST registration, get their business registration, get their licenses, everything for CA, lawyer and business registration thing including GST returns and every services. Do you want to give your own legal services online? Then you are at the right place. Today we are going to discuss our ready-made website for tax business and how you can start your own online business like India filing, Vakilsearch, ClearText and much more. So yeah, let's get started. So this is our website that you can see on the screen. In this website you get everything like Vakilsearch and India filing. You can see GST registration, export license, company registration, everything is available in this website. You can also have trademark registration and everything. You can see this website is very easy to use and very user friendly. People can come on your website and they can request for different services just like India filing, Vakilsearch and much more. And then you can get those inquiry and then you can assign CAs and accountants and your team for those particular tasks, and that's how you can start your own website like India filing, Vakilsearch and much more. If I click on any of these inquiries like this, it will take me to the page like this, and now I can fill my details like my name, my phone number, my WhatsApp number, my email ID and what type of services I'm looking for. So I can choose chartered accountant, I can choose legal compliances or anything. And now I can write my concern and now the inquiry will go to the admin team and now they will get this inquiry and they will connect a particular person for this inquiry. And that is how you get an inquiry from your own legal consultancy website like Vakilsearch, India filing. And now let's discuss the further features of this website. You can see it's a complete ready to launch mobile and laptop friendly website. You get WhatsApp chat, live chat, online payment, everything in this website. You will get the complete website with Android app, with admin and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen. And that is how your services page looks like. You can see all the services just like India filing. And now if I click on any of these services, I can see service title, service name, service image and much more. You also get a client portal like this. In the client portal, a customer can come and he can upload his document. You can also manage his document and everything can be managed by using the client portal. So that's how you can start your own business of legal consultancy, business registration consultancy, income tax registration consultancy, GST registration consultancy in one website like Vakilsearch, India filings and many other big websites. Do you want to start your own business like this? Are you a CA or tax consultant? Then you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen so we can help you the best. And that's how a service looks like. You can see the complete detail and now you can book the service like this. And now you can see the all checkout process here. Now you can enter your details like your name, your number and much more details. We also ask a lot of detail from a customer at the time of checkout according to his business. Remember, we can add additional feature for you as per your requirements also. And now you will check out by having the final payment options. You can pay by online payment or UPI or you can also pay by credit card. So all the options are available. And now click on place order and that's how you make a order in your own legal consultancy website. And that's how a customer will make an order. And now let's see this order in our customer section. And yeah, that's how you can see the order coming in your customer section. Now the admin will get this order and he will assign the particular person for this order. And that's how this website is working. And now let's see more in the customer portal. We can see different details like what was our project assigned to, and what is the work going on, and much details like billing and more we can see in this one portal. So everything is online for your own business. So what are you waiting for? Connect directly with us. Details are showing on your screen, and start your business like this, where you can give your legal and your tax consultancy easily on your own website. In this combo, you will get a complete website with admin panel and Android user app. You will also get online payment gateway connections like this. Customer can pay you online, and you will also get complete support for 1 year for any technical issue. You can completely customize this website as per your requirements. For more, kindly contact us so we can help you the best, and we can start your own online business for your legal compliances, your tax business, and much more. For more, kindly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.